On snowy days like today, the only thing that you can expect is the unexpected. And pray that you don't get the tow truck stuck. My name is Colin, and you're watching. Okay, on to the next call. It is someone stuck going up a snowy hill. Hey, it's Colin from Tiger Towing. I'm just down the hill from your car.
Okay.
Can you see me?
Actually, no, because I'm not with the vehicle.
Text me the address you're at, I'll pick you up, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, roger that.
Okay,
Thanks.
bye.
So I'm down at the bottom of the
I saw ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's jump in, I'll drive you down.
Okay.
A lot of snow back here.
A lot of snow. Back there is a bit. I don't know.
Ah, I drove into the ditch. That's okay, I got a few tricks. Alright, I just need to push the tow truck into the driveway and it should be good here and I'll be able to recover the customer. Alright, let's see what I can do with this. I'll get you out and then I'll figure myself out. There's no sense in making the customer wait to get me unstuck. I'll just get him unstuck. So I gotta put the snatch block on the back of my deck to get the angle right, otherwise the winch is gonna bind up.
Skating rink, man.
Oh, dude. It's a bad spot.
It is. Very bad spot.
You live in the valley?
Yeah, been Duggan.
Oh, yeah.
But coincidentally, before I even tried to attempt to come up this hill, then I was listening to the queue and all the road ranger reports and then how they were saying, there are too many vehicles stuck in ditches right now.
That's the way she goes.
There's two hooks on the front, underneath.
I go off the control arm.
Oh, I see, okay.
So I'm gonna grab more chain. I'm almost at him, but I ran on a winch line. Start the car. Turn hard driver. Hard driver, turn hard driver. Okay, hold there. So I'm just gonna wrap the chain around his control arm. Okay, you can let go. Ugh. Okay. The only time you should use a bridle for recovery is when there's next to no weight. I'm basically just winching that vehicle of no resistance up to the truck. Okay. Grab the remotes. Take the winch out of free spool. So I'm hoping the weight of this car is also gonna bring my deck this way and try to kick me out. Okay, put it in neutral.
Yeah, it's in neutral.
Foot off the brake.
Put off the brake.
Park brakes off.
Our brake's off.
Away we go.
Do I want to steer left?
Just hold it like that. You'll ride the ditch for a bit. Come on. Just gotta change the angle here. Okay. It's gonna fight me the whole way through. Come on. Okay, put it in park.
A channel like this wouldn't be possible without your support. So I'd like to take the time to ask you to please subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment. Thank you very much for your support.
So I'm gonna get rid of this chain, put the bridle on, and reattempt here. He should start coming up pretty quick. One. All right. Okay, neutral. You can start the car. Hey! Okay. Turn the bit, passenger. Good.
When it's this slick out, the tire won't have enough resistance to turn, so it'll just act like a plow.
Park brake, first gear, turn it off. Okay, so you're still hooked up. I want to see what happens when you drive forward. And stop. We're gonna be here for a while.
Oh yeah?
I'll have to get my truck unstuck. Go ahead, and then winch you up and so on, so on. I'm calling another tow truck. I need a rescue. Nico's on his way to rescue my ass out of the ditch.
It's a little slippery out.
Yeah, it's a bit slick. So what happened to you earlier?
Had a truck down in a ditch and had road shut down on both sides, 2 trucks blocking it. Some drunk guy decided to ram through all the cones and try and hit us.
My place, man?
Oh, you're drunk, man. Coming through our cones. Like, started threatening us for taking pictures of his plates, and
He took off.
yeah, then he took off.
Big man. All right.
After we told him it was on dash cam and had videos of him drinking.
Duncan. Okay, Nico's gonna hook up to the power pole because he came in a bit hot. What a mess. I should have not come down here. All my coworkers are gonna make fun of me now. Jump in, you're gonna steer.
Yeah, okay.
Straighten out the wheel. Good. There we go. Did you think you were gonna be doing this today?
No, I didn't.
You're welcome. Just steer over, leave it in neutral. Keep the PTO engaged. We'll try to get you into the driveway.
I should probably side and then. Yeah.
We're gonna have to switch lines. Weird. Grab a chain. So we're gonna go to that tall tree right there. Excellent. So you're gonna jump into the cab.
Yeah. Don't stand there.
No, put it back in neutral and we'll
Yeah.
winch you back up.
Okay.
I was really hoping to not get stuck this year, but here I am. Stuck. But you're stuck too, so don't feel as bad. We're gonna go down the hill now. Try driving forward. I think you'll be able to go through the ditch.
I know this truck pretty well off-road and.
It's not that big of a ditch.
Oh no.
So if you cut it hard and pin it forward, it should clear. You're three-wheeling. Okay. I'm still stuck. We're sending Nico home. We put tire chains on his tow truck. This one was didn't have enough links to connect them. So he only has to get up the hill. So the ratchet strap will hold till he gets up the hill. Tyler is coming in with the new medium duty from that way, and he's gonna pull me out.
Sorry that took so long. You had the chain wrapped around the rim up there.
Yeah, that's one. Yeah, you're good. Good. What a headache this day has been. I still have to pick up that car, put it on my deck, and drop it off up the hill.
Oh,
That was my customer. He was down here hanging out with us for about an hour until I sent him up.
I wonder how much line I got. I wonder if
You should have enough.
the block is or just.
I don't think you'll have to snatch block it.
Okay.
I think maybe we should grab both winch lines, because what's going to happen when you start pulling on that one? My rear end's going to slide towards the customer's car.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I should have just called you earlier.
Hey.
This would have saved so much time to have this truck here.
Oh, right. With how long?
Well, I've been here since like 2.
Oh,
Yeah, dude. I've been living the dream for like 4 hours now. Try now?
oh.
We got both winch lines on. One on the front wheel, one on the back. So is it your first recovery with the truck?
Yeah.
You're welcome. I think you just have to worry more about the front.
Yeah. Yeah, the back is just anchor, I guess.
Yeah. There we go.
The 450, did it even touch it or did it just slide?
Well, we were trying to put it in front by the fifth wheel there, right?
Yeah.
And every time we tried to like even get in there, it would just slide towards the tow truck.
Oh, I see.
So we like hooked it onto a tree over there and we just broke the strap. I can see why your dad doesn't like using straps. We could go off the frame here. It's a nice truck. All right. Front winch? I like that better. It's less stress on the wheel.
Yeah. I don't really like the straps that much, but I didn't want to wreck the wheels, so it's just going on the YouTube or no?
Everything's filmed to this point. I'm not sure if I'm going to.
Yeah.
I mean, be a good. Everyone gets stuck.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Some people are like, oh wow, tow truck stopped or broke. It's like they don't have her.
Right? Slowly better. Yeah, I'm out of the position.
It's not bad. There's the front end slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no damage to this truck.
Oh, that's nice.
Gotta watch the air dryer.
Crank your wheels over, Colin, so it sort of clears the tire. You're gonna load it up, like get you straight, load
Yeah, we'll get it straight, loaded up, and
we'll
we'll
pull you up.
exactly. Well, we'll leave this winch line on, and he's gonna help me drag myself up the hill
Oh yeah.
because the car is literally just going on top of the hill.
Oh, it's just going up here?
Yeah, he got stuck in the ditch coming up, and I came down. My plan was to like pull into this driveway, but then the whole truck just slid sideways. What a gong show this day is. It's in it. Yeah, I got him out of the ditch, and then I was trying to get myself unstuck, and then all hell broke loose.
Be careful.
Okay, so with these, I'll.
Really weak. Look at on the hitch.
Yeah, the hitch is a good point. All right, so he's gonna drag me up. Just insane. Oh, I think that's my customer. Can't wait to run that truck. Tyler's taking off. Tyler's out of here.
Thank you for coming out.
Yeah, just
Appreciate it, man. Thank you for all your effort.
took a bit longer than expected.
Thanks, buddy. No, appreciate it.
No worries.
Awesome. Sorry you had to go through all that, huh?
It's a snow day. To be expected. All right.
Worse, man. Like Highway to Hell. I like that show.
Well, that other truck is one of Jamie Davis's old trucks. We just bought it.
Oh, from Highway to Hell.
It's been on the TV show.
Oh, yeah. I figured as much.
All right, take care.
Okay, dude. Thank you.
Yeah, so get hooked!